Well, this is an irregular one because I didn't finish it, but I did definitely want to talk about it. I read most of Weapons of Math Destruction by Cathy O'Neil in 2021. I gave it 2 out of 5 stars on Goodreads, and I wrote this after I stopped. This one fell prey to the left it on a plane mistake, but I read through 60% of it, and I feel like I get it. The structure of the book leads the reader to find the same themes throughout each chapter, so there isn't much new to learn with each algorithm that O'Neil takes down here. I'm thankful this book exists. I agree with everything she's saying. I didn't learn much more than a vocabulary and structure of identification for the frustration I feel with the increasing use of data solution ideas to subjective human problems. Instead of structuring the book by individual examples of potentially corrupt applications, I would have preferred she took deeper dives into her criteria for identification. Perhaps then the chapters wouldn't have felt so redundant. I wanted to talk about this because I get frustrated a lot with the way that we have moved towards technology and data and algorithms and AI to be an authority for us. This book is really important, and I think everyone needs to consider the fact that your algorithm is lying to you, or that your algorithm may be corrupt, or that algorithms in general are leading people to places for purposes that the people don't really understand. The structure of this book that I talk about here is each chapter is kind of a specific incident of algorithms being used in a purposefully negative way or in an accidentally terrible way. It's structured so that each kind of works as a case study, but because of that, each of them kind of seems very similar. And as you go through, you get the concept that's trying to be taught to you through the book, because all of them kind of fall prey to the same mistake. People program technology, and people's biases come into that programming. It's almost impossible to get around it. The bubbles are real. We've got to get out of the bubbles. We've got to find better ways to explain what's happening in the world and communicate it with each other. Algorithms are very good for many things, but they're not perfect, and we always have to account for that imperfection. We should treat technology like science. It's a tool that can help us learn some percentage of what's known in our universe, but it's not everything. We need to continue to question, and we need to continue to test, just like we do in science. We have to do that with technology too, because it only gives us what it can see, and it can't see everything. These algorithms that Cathy O'Neil talks about in this book show specific ways that technology has been coded to limit understanding, to promote specific kinds of outcomes, of outputs. It isn't always deliberate, but it's something that will always come out. And the title, Weapons of Math Destruction, is conceptually very interesting. And the scale at which we have access to information might lead us to decisions that could destroy things in a massive way. So I didn't finish reading it. I did get the point, and that's kind of why I left it on the plane. I have read more about the book, and I have heard that towards the end she gives 15 ideas for ways to solve this. I think it needs to be out there. I think people need to know that algorithms and AI are only some portion of the way there towards truth and reality and accuracy. This was Weapons of Math Destruction by Cathy O'Neil. I didn't finish it, but I think I got it. I gave it 2 out of 5 stars on Goodreads.